Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Khajana James Pangsang Kongkal Sangma Ulaong Bakatanat Kadang Pynkhreh ya ka ordinance ban Pyndam no ya ka an Khalai lani ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2008 Habakren Chakilat Pathai Khubor James Ulaong Bakatanat ka ban Pynkhreh ba ya ka ordinance ban Pyndam ya ka te ka an Khalai Hashwa ban wan ra ya ka sha ka kenhun menteri ban yo ya ka jing menjur Ula batai ru baka kam ka Kham Kyllaiñ ban Pyndam ya ki an baladan pa ban ya ka Thaw da ka an thamai Ula ong ru baka tanat kan ha ban pet na dong shadong haswa ban penmi ya ka ordinance khnang bakan omdan jingta hadian habun.
After I have discussed this matter with my senior colleagues and also with the Honorable CM, I have initiated the process also, and today the department is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Gaming Act. So this is the process. Whenever assembly session is not there, then to enact any law, or for that matter in this case to repeal an existing law, it has to take the route of an ordinance. So that's the process that we have initiated, and the process is ongoing as we speak. This is something that a repeal is much more complicated than coming up with a fresh act or ordinance for that matter. So we are doing due diligence, because once we repeal, we do not want any kind of legal wrangles or legal hassles. So we are making sure that we do everything in a very, very organized and systematic manner.